Okay, let's try to chase the sunset. Okay, I don't know how much I may regret this, but that's the whole point of this whole series anyway, which is for me to try to chase sunsets. And I know I haven't really been uploading that much of it yet, but it's something I really wanted to do. I'm going to try to push more of it. I did plan on chasing the sunset right near Sydney Opera House. I was like, let me try to finish editing the first clip so that I can upload it immediately, so that it's ready, so that hopefully by tonight I can upload the second clip early or something like that. I can upload this, in fact, and then because of that, delay, and now I'm in a rush. I do hope at the very least, if it's not perfect, of what I capture, at least I have something decent planned so that I can come back again and do an encore. So according to a weather map that I follow, I really love using quite a lot, called Carrot, I still have around an hour, actually a little less than an hour, before the sunset finishes. It's around 5:10 today. According to Google Maps, it takes around 30 minutes, 35 to be exact, to reach Sydney Opera House. So I hope that is actually enough for me to capture sunset. At least something nice. I want to go to multiple locations, so I hope that I don't need to go back, but let's see how this goes. Oof. Right now I'm passing by a cafe that I went to a little earlier. It's so delicious, very, very filling as well. Food is great. It was recommended by a YouTuber called Janice Fung, who I followed a lot. So yeah, it's a Sunday, so they close earlier, but excellent food, worth an encore. So beautiful. Okay, at least I see it. I have a little bit of sunset, but let me try to capture it from the Sydney Opera House, because that vantage point should be the best looking one. Gosh, I just gotta say, it's so beautiful in person. Beautiful. But I need to chase it as well. Interesting. I did consider joining that tour, but then my wallet decided to scold me. I really want to capture it right in front of the bridge. That's my goal right now. And I believe I'm around 5 minutes away. And my gosh, this place is just really, really gorgeous. Whew. Gorgeous. All right, I haven't completely arrived yet, but I am quite surprised to see there's not as many people as I expected or anticipated either. This is a very commonly gone to place already. Either people need to rush for dinner, I have no idea. But let me go and try to find out. I just hope that it's not because they said, you know, no taking photos or whatever over there, because I want to. I really, really want to. Okay, I'll consider it a successful sunset chase. I'm able to be at the location that I want to be. Now I'm just gonna kind of figure out if I can put down Pocket 2, because there are a lot of birds. Are they seagulls or something? They're like flying, and I don't know if they'll think this is food. I hope they don't think this is food if I just place it down on a tripod or something. But I also want to capture some time lapses, so let's see if I can do that. But wow, look at how gorgeous that sunset is. Oh my gosh. I don't know, I'm just so happy right now. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm just so darn happy right now. Whew. Success. Okay, let me just try to capture someone now. very happy with the results of the photos that I've captured. In fact, let me capture a couple more right now. It looks so good. Ooh. I was able to really capture the sunset this time. I was able to chase the sunset. And oh my gosh, such a beautiful, beautiful sunset today. I'm really, really very fortunate. Very, very fortunate and blessed to do it. And speaking of blessed, I'd love to stay some more, but I also planned on going to visit St. Mary's Cathedral. Let's see, tomorrow my plan, or I hope, to actually go to Manly to watch the sunrise. So that means I won't really sleep that late tonight. But I also kind of hope to be able to post this video tonight. Let's see. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Looking forward to the next sunset that we will get to chase together. Good morning. Let's chase some sunrise. Let's chase some sunrise.